Thiago Santos. I belong to this church where we are now, and I'm an architect, and I developed the project of this church.
Thank you. So please, can you describe where we are now in more details?
Yes. So we are in the new installations of our church that we have just finished building. We started this more or less 5-6 years ago. This basically is a Protestant church here in Algueirão, which is located in Sintra, near Lisbon, in Portugal.
How Confer help you with this project?
Okay, so when I developed the church, I really wanted to have everything in wood in our main auditorium, in the space where we are now. So I was really trying to find a company that could supply the wood chairs for us, because I really wanted natural wood chairs. And then I did a lot of research, even here in Portugal, and I started researching online with companies. And then I found Confer, and then I got in contact with you, and everything developed from there.
Thank you, you did it. How was your cooperation with Confer company?
The cooperation was really good because you presented me well. First, I really saw the Serra chairs, which was the model that I liked the most. And then when I got in contact with Confer, I saw that was the possibility of making some custom changes to the chair in order to better fit the layout that I was thinking for the auditorium here. So everything developed quite well because we got in touch, we were developing the model, and we were like fine-tuning details in order to really achieve what we wanted here.
Like as professional architect, what would you say about Serra chairs? Like in design or their functionality?
So I think I really like the more minimal, more straightforward design, and I really think that the Serra chair, in its essence, had that. And then with the customization that we were able to do, we were able to introduce some changes that were better in terms of the layout here. Because my idea, because I grew up in churches, so I always had that idea that in church, normally we had like really long benches. So the concept here will be, why not to have a chair that would be all put together so that in the end it would look like a continuous long bench. And with Confer, we worked together and we really achieved this goal. So it was a really perfect match in terms of the customization of the chairs.
Yep, it was a bit challenge, but I think that it was amazing cooperation with you. Also, I learned a lot about the design. And when I look at the final results, what we see here, it's something really beautiful.
Yes.
And I'm really proud of your hard work and that you contacted us, and I can cooperate with you and help also to this community to have really comfortable sitting and to have something what will serve for good.
Yes, thank you.
Would you recommend us to other communities of faithful?
Yes, definitely. Because as we can see here, the results are really astonishing. Everybody that comes here from other churches, everybody asks about the chairs, where we got them, how were they made. So I really would recommend Confer to any other church or any other community that needs a product like this.
Okay, thank you very much. It's my honor to be here.
No, it's an honor to have you here.
Thank you for your invitation. I'm looking forward for next celebration here. What we have ahead of us, another concert will be here.
Yeah, tonight.
Yeah, so I'm really looking forward also to meet more people and to meet a lot of people from community. Yes. They are really nice. So, yep, I think that me and my colleague here in Lisbon, we are really enjoying this business trip here. And And as I said, it's an honor for
Yeah,
us
no.
to be here. Thank you very
It's-
much, Thiago.
Oh, thank you.